with the Speedster, we put the motor in it a long time ago, and the motor was supposed to have been a rebuilt motor. Well, we did all the work, we started it, it ran all right, but then once we started driving it around and putting miles on it, it kind of like, it would just overheat, but it would take like miles to get to overheating. What's up, man? We would literally, like, you know, I'd drive the thing 4 miles and then it would overheat, and it would almost like it was just steam coming out of the overflow. It wasn't like, you know, it wasn't like the temperature of the motor was getting hot, but it just steam kept coming out of the overflow. So it was pressurizing the cooling system. Basically, same thing that's going on with Mara's car. Just funny that 2 cars are here at the same time that are doing the exact same thing. But regardless, took the head off of it. Kind of, I don't know, the head gasket is questionable if it was leaking in one spot, or there's like one little spot where it looked like it might have been leaking. But for the most part, I think it was a crack in the cylinder. We can't really tell. I had my friend Al come here to Magnaflux it, and it pretty much, it was kind of like he couldn't really tell. He couldn't get his Magnafluxer tool thing into where he kind of needed it to magnetize it. So he couldn't really tell with trying to Magnaflux it with the motor in the car. But either way, Mark, who owns the car, had another spare motor that was, I guess, recently rebuilt. So we figured rather than screw around with it, we're just gonna pull the motor out of this and put the new motor, the other motor that he had in. So Timmy just got finished doing that. You know, this motor here is a rebuilt motor. It seems to run pretty good. We just set timing in it, and yeah, I don't know. Things running mint. So pretty much in a nutshell, this thing's ready to go, minus a couple little things that we need to do. But the one thing that sucks on this car is the brakes. They're terrible. Oh, bunch of papers falling around. Yeah, sure can. I'll take a picture of you. Thank you. To drive this thing anywhere, and it's like, people don't know what it is. Like a racing tractor. Roads are a little rough. What's up, guys? Temperature seems to be staying right where it should, so I think we're good, which is pretty awesome. I'm good. How are you?
Doing all right, man. I can't complain, man. Every day is the same way. It repeats itself.
It does.
To the end. It's a nice car, though.
Thank you.
Nice. Be safe, though.
You too.